Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset on your headphones Bowers and Wilkins PX7. So just press and hold volume up button, volume down button and ANC button at the same time for at least 10 seconds. So let's go. Here we go. Right now we have not connected here, so click the information icon or settings icon. Then forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, also don't forget to click pair new device. And now click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!